Honorable Chief Minister, all the dignitaries, press, ladies and gentlemen. L&T's journey in Gujarat started in 1979, first when we put up our cement plant in Gujarat. We had the largest capacity of cement, about 6 million tons, and then we bought Narmada Cement. Later in the 90s, obviously not being our core business, we redefined our portfolio and sold that. But the L&T's biggest presence in engineering remains to be and strengthening every day in Gujarat. In 1984, we came to Hazira with a view to put a heavy engineering company, heavy engineering industry. Since then, that has expanded about 18 times. We manufacture nuclear reactors there, and now we have integrated facilities from scrap mixing and melting to shipment and delivery of up to 2,000 ton, which is the highest for more than 1,000 megawatt, that we can do on a single location basis. So it's the most prestigious project. I'm very grateful to Honorable Chief Minister. Yesterday he came, and at the occasion of the inauguration of our turbine facilities, it was in 2009 Vibrant Gujarat that we committed that we will put one of the unique facilities for a completely integrated manufacturing of supercritical plants. So we have more than 9 factories. All of them are working. And yesterday was a great milestone for Larsen & Toubro here in Gujarat when we dedicated that to the nation. We are also very proud that Larsen & Toubro was entrusted the responsibility by the Gujarat government to build Mahatma Mandir. And I want to mention here, as a tribute to my employees, the spirit of Larsen & Toubro, and obviously the most positive, cooperative Gujarat government, that we completed Mahatma Mandir in 182 days. In a way, a world record. So, L&T is deeply committed to the cause of building our nation. From the very beginning, all the sectors that we serve, whether it is core sector, infrastructure, nuclear sector, defense, aerospace, is all high technology and aligned completely in the real national objectives. It is with the same spirit I want to assure Sri Narendra Bhai Modi that L&T's commitment to Gujarat will grow day by day. This year, we are signing MOU to build lots of infrastructure projects for about 15,000 crores. But it's not just the investment. I think what is very important is commitment to building the skills, the capabilities, the talent, the technology, the imagineering, as we know. So in 2007, we promised we will build a knowledge city in Gujarat, and before 2009, we commissioned it. So every time when we make some commitment, I am so much clear that we have now a huge responsibility on our head to finish what we actually committed. So I can only tell you it is with the same commitment, the spirit of Larsen & Toubro, that we will continue our journey to build powerful India, tomorrow's India, and of course, it will be through a great state like Gujarat. I happen to come from Gujarat. Sometimes people say all these big projects are coming up in Gujarat because, are you from Gujarat? And I said, look, we go where there is a merit, and only merit. And Gujarat has a huge merit. The environment where you can really deliver what you have aimed for with the highest degree of speed and productivity. So I'm very proud Gujarati and also a very proud L&Tites and a proud Indian to be aligned to building a Gujarat and the nation of tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now invite Geoffrey Fan Ode,